Wait, you are only using your HTVRONT H17 for phone cases. That's like owning a studio and only shooting one angle. The H17 isn't just a case press, it's your compact production powerhouse. Curved surfaces, easy. Small batch baking, no problem. It does what traditional flat presses simply can't. Now think bigger. Small accessories, low material cost, high perceived value. Once customized, these little items turns into serial smart gene makers, and H17 handles them all without breaking a sweat. One machine, multiple product lines. More than extra income, it's smarter income. When one trend slows down, another keeps you moving. Stop capping your creativity at one category. Turn your setup into a multi-stream income engine. So, are you ready to make your machine work as hard as you do?